So in today's video, I'm going to share 3 super easy and festive Christmas do-it-yourself crafts with you. We're going to make an adorable snowman candle holder, a vase covered in snow, how cozy does that sound, and a cute do-it-yourself ornament candle to add that extra sparkle to your holiday decor. So let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Tori. Welcome to my channel. If you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. So let's get started, guys. Number 1, this adorable festive snowman candle holder. I picked up 2 glass floral bowls from the Dollar Tree, one bigger and one smaller. You want them to be different sizes because we're going to stack them and create this adorable snowman. So I also grabbed some silver glitter, a cute Christmas house decorative bell for his hat, some festive ribbon for his scarf, and a couple of battery operated tea lights to bring it all to life. Now for the glittery magic part, you can use Mod Podge or Elmer's glue, and I went with Elmer's glue. You'll take a paintbrush and spread the glue over the glass bowls. Then you'll want to sprinkle the glitter all over the glue, and you'll want to do this with both bowls. Once they're all done, we're going to set them aside and let them dry for a few hours. For the next step, you can glue the bowls together, but I decided not to, so I can easily take the snowman apart and store them after the holidays. I think it's easier to just stack the bowls on top of one another. And then we're going to place a tea light in the bottom bowl and one in the top. I couldn't find my second tea light, but you'll get the idea. For his scarf, I glued some glittery ribbon around his neck and added a few cute berries and a pine cone for extra decor. And then I finished it off by placing the bell on top for his hat. How cute and easy is this? You've got yourself a do-it-yourself snowman candle that will light up your holiday season. Number 2 is this adorable frosted vase that looks just like it's covered in fresh snow. I picked up a glass vase from the Dollar Tree, and I used some ribbon and a festive picker from Michael's. If you saw my mystery box videos, these items might look familiar since they came from there. I loved how they match, so I knew they'd be perfect for this project. We're going to be using Elmer's glue again, along with some Epsom salt for the snowy texture. I started by brushing on the glue all over the vase. Then you sprinkle the Epsom salt over it, let it dry a few hours, and once it was ready, I wrapped the ribbon around the vase, and then I added the festive pick. How cute is that? This frosted vase is the perfect wintry touch for any room. Number 3 is a festive do-it-yourself candle made with a cute ceramic ornament container that I picked up from Target's Bullseye section for just $5. I also grabbed 2 white candle jars and an apple cinnamon wax melt from Dollar Tree to create a cozy holiday scent. First, place the 2 candles in a large pot filled with water, about a quarter full. You do not want to fully submerge the jars. Keep the heat on low to melt the wax, which takes about 20 minutes. Once it's melted, carefully remove the candle jars with a pot holder. Take out the wicks and set the jars back into the pot. Then add the scented wax melt to the pot to blend it with the candle wax. Next, I used E6000 glue to secure a wick in the center of the ceramic ornament container. I placed popsicle sticks around the wick to keep it in place. By now, the wax was fully melted, so I poured it into the ornament container, and that's it. This adorable candle is so festive, smells amazing, and it adds the perfect cozy touch to your holiday decor. So what do you think of these 3 do-it-yourself crafts? Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite. Is it the snowman candle holder, the frosted vase, or the ornament candle? I'd love to hear which one you'll be making this holiday season. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.